Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn how to make a PPT. It will help you in making your projects. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you need to download a software that is called WPS PS, that is named by WPS. So you have to go in Google Play and you have to just write down WPS Office. WPS Office. Okay, so as you will click on this, then WPS Office will install in your mobile. Okay, it is already installed in my mobile, that's why it is showing update option, otherwise it will show a install option. Okay, so let's start. Then you have to go to the WPS. You have to open the app WPS. It is the way by which you can make PPT with the help of your mobile. Okay, those who having no computer. Okay, so student, for making a PPT, first we need to go to the home. Okay, I'm just closing this, and now you will click on this plus sign, and here you will select presentation. As you will select on presentation, then this type of option will come. For new presentation, we will use blank presentation. Okay, as you will open the blank presentation, the first page will come as a title page where you will write the title of your project. For example, your title is, for typing anything, you have to double click on the text box. Okay, so I double clicked on the text box so I can write here. So you have to write a topic. For example, I'm writing topic. Okay, you can write in capital letters also. Okay, and I want to write here also the name of the topic, so I have to double click on it. It is written over there. You have to double click, double tap. Okay, so you can write the topic here. For example, communicable disease. Communicable disease. Okay, so this is your topic. For giving it little bit, making it colorful, you can take color from here. Okay, you can select the colors and you can give color according to yourself, according to your choice. Okay, you can also increase the size of the text by this, and this is for decrease. Okay, you can bold it, and this you need to do communicable disease. I want to make it in large size, and I want to color it by green. Okay, so you can see the color is changed now. Okay, so this is your first slide is prepared. Okay, back. So now for next slide, what you have to do, you have to just plus it. As you will plus it, it will ask you for the layout. You have to select the layout. Mostly we need a layout like this layout, second layout. It is a like of title of the page, and anything you can add the text here, you can add the picture here, you can add the video, anything you can add. Okay, text, so you know that very well how to add. You double tap and you can write anything, whatever you want to write. Okay, here you can add the title. For example, communicable disease. Okay, so this is how you can add the text and text in a slide. But how to add picture? For this, you have to go to insert. Okay, and select the picture. For example, I want to select the picture from downloads, as I downloaded some picture. Just like I have these pictures of science, so I'm selecting this. Okay, so see, and you can save it according to your choice. This is a different picture, I know, but I'm showing you how to add a picture. This is how you can add a picture in your slide. Okay, let's use the other slide. If you want a slide like this where you want two content and one title, then also you can click. Then you can have two text boxes with you where you compare or where you can add two pictures. Okay, so this is your layout where you add two contents. Okay, anything you can add picture, you can add any video also. Let me show you the video also. A simple slide we will take. This is a slide where we can add the title and the text. Okay, so here also we can add the video. So for video also you have to click on the insert. There are so many options: file option, play option, design option. So you need to click on the insert. Okay, here insert, you can add the video. You can add video also. For example, I made a very small video for you people. Okay, this is your video. It will play when you will see your presentation in slideshow. When you will play your presentation in slideshow, then this video will run. Okay, see, the video is inserted. You can add a voice also. You can add a audio also. For example, I have one audio, so I'm adding the one audio here in one page. Okay, so for adding the audio, what you have to do, you have to just again go to the menus. Okay, and here in the insert menu you will click on the audio. Even you can add the background music also. It's also a very good feature in the mobile. When you are making PPT in mobile, you can add the background music also. Or instead of background music, you can take your recording. You can add your recording. Okay, so audio, you can record your audio. You can insert in slide. Okay, as I recorded already a audio. Okay, so I will choose a track from my device. So this is recording 4.
Good morning everyone. Our topic is communicable disease.
For example, this is only for example. I'm just recorded a one voice. Okay, voice type of audio I recorded for you to show you how to record an audio and how to insert it here. See, so we learned how to add audio, how to add picture, how to add video. Okay, how to add text and how to make it more beautiful. Okay, and you can make your slides more interesting also by applying these transitions. Okay, just for example, this type of transition. Okay, so when your slide will run in slideshow, then it will display like this in a split form, or either like this, either like this. Okay, either like this, either like this, either like this. Okay, so many options are there, so you can take these options. For example, this type of thing you can take. Very beautiful transitions are there, so you can use these transition. So I select this transition. This is very beautiful. Okay, so this is how our PPT is done. It means an example where I already shown you everything. So you have to collect the pictures, data. You have to add the data in your presentation, and then you have to make. And at the last you will go for transition. Transition के लिए आप last में जाएंगे. Okay, because presentation को more attractive बनाने के लिए आप last में जाएंगे. पहले content आपको save करना होगा. First you need to save the content. Okay, then now for example it is done. Okay, so I will click on the done option. It's the topmost. Okay, here I clicked on the done option. Okay, now my PPT is now ready. How to see it? We will click on the play. We can see how our presentation is looking. You can see this is your presentation. For next, I will click like this. I will just drag like this. See, communicable disease. Okay, every presentation will come like this. See, video is also running. Okay, so this is how your presentation will run. So it's very easy. Your audio will also run.
Good morning, everyone. Our
See?
topic
So
is
this is how you can
communicable
add
disease.
audio also in your presentation. You can add also video in presentation, and you can
Good
also
morning,
add the music in
everyone. Our
presentation.
topic is communicable disease.
Okay, this is
Good
your
morning,
last
everyone.
last
Our
document.
topic
So
is
now there is no need
communicable
to.
disease.
So this is all, student. This is how you can make your presentation more attractive and more representable. Okay, this PPT. Okay, after completing your all work, then you have to click on the done. Okay, and you have to save it by some name. For saving it by some name, you have to click on the tools and then save as option. As you will save as option, you have to write the name. For example, topic is communicable disease. So I am writing communicable diseases topic only. Okay, and you have to save it in some place, in location, in somewhere where you can find it easily. Okay, so I'm making it in a DCIM folder. Okay, so I'm storing it here, so it is stored. Okay, wait, diseases, save. Now it is saved. This is how you can save your PPT. So thank you everyone, happy holidays to everyone, and make your presentation more attractive and more beautiful in an interesting way. Thank you everyone.